Alright, today I'm doing a review of this Forrest sparkling pineapple drink here. And let me show you the ingredients if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. I've never tried this. This was at the local grocery store, so let's do a quick taste test. There you go. Okay, so one of the ingredients they put in is erythritol, and you can tell it's in there because it has that sweet taste to it. So the pineapple comes through okay, but I prefer the Thirsty Buddha version of the pineapple. And it had the coconut taste to it, so this is all right. It's not bad. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.